The meme coin market got absolutely brutalized last night. Guys, if you come out and look at the statistics right now, this is insane. The market cap right now, $75 billion. Just a couple of days ago, it was at $100 billion. Remember that. I believe it was peaking out at like $110 billion, not sure. But $59 billion market cap. Guys, that's the overall meme coin market cap. Gone from nearly cut in half. From $100 to $50 billion. Now we're already seeing a drastic recovery back up to $75 billion. We're going to be talking about that in this video. We're going to be talking about Shiba Inu coin in this video and some signs that Shiba Inu coin, crashed 20. I think it was at 30%. But this key metric suggests a comeback. So let's talk about it. And if it sounds like something you're interested in, let's get started. What's up, everybody? I'm Clay, and as you can see, we got Shiba Inu coin on the screen right now. But I do want to say this. After watching the meme coin, essentially, let's call it a collapse, right? That's what happened last night. Going from $100 billion to $59 billion. It's very volatile. Diversification is more important now than ever before. And one of the tokens that I'm diversifying into is SpacePay. If you guys haven't seen SpacePay yet, I got a link for them down in the description below. Very easy process, very similar to the rest of the cryptocurrency world here. During these ICOs, you're going to connect your wallet. You're going to choose if you want to use Wallet Connect, Best Wallet, so on. I like to use Wallet Connect, scan this QR code with the wallet on my phone, all of that stuff, this QR code with the wallet on my phone right there. They're getting ready to cross $1 million raised, and in a couple hours, the price is going to rise. Because of its early stages, the earlier you get in, the better your price is going to be. But essentially, these guys are creating invest today, or invest in tomorrow today, right? These guys are creating a payment solution that helps retail spend their cryptocurrency. It says, what is SpacePay? SpacePay revolutionizes the retail payments with cryptocurrency acceptance, converting seamlessly to all traditional or fiat currencies. The traditional POS terminals, powered by our easy-to-use payment APK, make crypto transactions as straightforward as traditional payments, ushering in a new era of flexibility. And to be honest with you, that's one of the biggest, I guess, feedbacks I have from some of my friends that don't understand cryptocurrency. They think that it's just some, video game money that you can't use, you can't spend, it's not worth anything because you can't go out there, you can't go to Walmart, and you can't buy something with it. And in fact, they couldn't be more wrong. And SpacePay is one of the startups. This is a London-based fintech startup here. It's one of the startups that is making that even easier and more well-known. And I truly do believe that when cryptocurrency payments become, let's call it household names, right? And it doesn't mean you're going to go out and spend your Bitcoin. But if you hold something like USDC or USDT, you may be very inclined to spend that the same way that you would your dollars or your euros or your whatever fiat currency you guys use. And once people begin to accept that, the cryptocurrency industry will soar in value. So if you guys are interested in investing in tomorrow, today, make sure to check that link out in the description below for SpacePay. And this is an excellent token to diversify into. It's not a meme coin. It is a utility token. And after seeing last night's collapse, diversification is very important. So being able to diversify into a token that's getting ready to cross over the $1 million threshold that doesn't fall into the meme coin space could be an excellent idea and a great opportunity. But let's talk about what's happening with Shiba Inu coin because, a 20% decline. If you look at the actual prices, that 20% decline was nearly a 50% decline over the last 48, 72 hours here, going from about 2,000 points per coin to 1,100 points per coin last night. And it is bouncing back nicely right now as whales are pouring in to buy. It says Shiba Inu coin collapsed to a 4-month low, but one indicator suggests a potential move to the upside. Is this just a temporary correction? Me personally, I believe yes. I believe that they're shaking out retail investors. It says the past 24 hours have been calamitous. I don't even know what calamitous. Maybe calamitous, like calamity. That's probably what that word is right there. With numerous leading digital assets recording double-digit losses, Bitcoin crashed below $92,000, but it was the altcoins that took the major blow. Among the worst affected, Shiba Inu coin. He goes on to say that despite such bearish movement, the relative strength index suggests an incoming reversal. The metric, which measures the speed and change of price movements, varies from 0 to 100 and helps traders identify oversold or overbought conditions. The ratio recently dipped to 16, which suggests that the asset might be undervalued and potentially headed for a rally in the short term. Additionally, SHIB's exchange net flow has turned prominently negative in the last week. This indicates a possible shift from centralized exchanges towards private wallets, hence reduced immediate selling pressure. So not only do we have an extremely oversold RSI indicating that we may bounce back hard in the next couple of days, we've also got a lot of people pulling their money off of exchanges. And you typically see this with whales, guys. And if you missed the video from this morning, make sure to go watch that video talking about whale statistics. I believe it was 4.3 trillion Shiba Inu coin that they ate up. But the whales are pouring in, okay? In this crypto game, it's just a game, man. That's all this is. The idea for whales and institutions is to see how much they can accumulate. They're not out there ready to sell and take their profits and move them back into fiat and all of that. They're not worried about their $2,000 gains and whether or not they can buy a new car with the amount of money that they have in cryptocurrency. The entire idea is to accumulate as much as humanly possible now so that 5, 10, 20, 50, 60 years down the road, when cryptocurrency is a $100 trillion industry, these guys are sitting on tens of trillions of dollars. And it is that simple. Accumulate as much as you possibly can. And what that means for whales, institutions, and so on is watching a dip like this, watching retail investors panic, and they go out there and they eat it up. Now, it doesn't mean that this is as low as it's going to go, but they absolutely feed off of that fear. And right now, crashing from $100 billion market cap to $59 billion, fear is setting in. The fear to greed index is now back to a level of 39 fear. Retail investors are beginning to panic. Retail investors panicked last night as Bitcoin was hitting 91. It's already recovered to 99,000. Ethereum, guys, dipped down to $2,100 and it's back up nearly 20-30% to $2,700. If you can't handle the volatility leading into one of the biggest bull markets that we have ever seen, you're going to sell out, you're going to cash out, and you're going to miss out. That's why, guys, last night, I'm just going to be completely honest with you, right? I watched the market. I was like, man, this is getting crazy. But I had to turn it off. I had to pay attention to something else. Because I knew if I got emotional, I may want to sell. And I cannot sell. I am here, I am accumulating, and I am doing everything that I possibly can. And one of the places that I am accumulating is on the KSEX exchange. If you guys haven't checked them out, make sure to use that link down in the description below. These guys have, look at this futures fees. Leverage trading, 0% maker, 0% taker. Best fees I have ever seen. Of course, because they're 0%, right? But of course, the best selection of meme coins that I've ever seen in the United States as well. Make sure to give these guys, all it is an email. You got to give them in order to sign up. So even if you don't necessarily want to buy yet, use them to chart your stuff. Use them. They got a lot of very good information out there. Let me know what you're doing with it all down in the comments below. And until the next time, hope that each and every one of you have an awesome day.